Sorry, Pina Colada here. Don't ask about the character, I put it on random, I swear. Just playing this game. You can clearly see what it says there. But, okay, now let's just start. Also, hit the button that you start on Fortnite. See if you can dodge comes it. Okay. I believe I would be in a squad. Maybe, not sure. Maybe they can hear me talking. I don't care. Anyway, I've done this twice. Got run over, got shot. Teammate helped me, run out, and died. We all died. Anyway, let's get into this. Wow. So she's fighting the gun that we found. Pay up, bitch. Usually I'll try. I don't really feel it's just, oh, can you go, please? I only got one kill. I died because 2 minutes. So it's mine. I can confess 7 minutes. Weird. Oh, hello. Ha. Oh. 11th, 11th. Yeah, Apple. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, I'm actually like punching. Casual drum. Oh. Tilted. Sorry about that. Right. Where should I go? I can't see it talking there. Here we go. So, you can't hear me. Alright, calm down. This is not a man on it. Starts talking. I don't know what it is, which I don't want it. Where are they going? That's plot damage. Right. Some people, oh no, there's not even so good. Yeah. No. Oh. How do you change your camera? Oh yeah. Oh! Ow. Oh, down, I guess. Alright, forward. See, I am very bad. Or I should do what? Camping in a corner and hopefully somebody goes through the door. Right. Anyway, I had no like armor to protect me. So, Fortnite no shield. But you die quicker. So, it's kind of like that. How does one that's quality? Okay, I can't show them outside. Okay, well, that's it. You see that gun? Level. Also very good at stopping bullets. Like, instead of them saving it, you play it sometimes. Or have one with like a girl who has straps to their legs. You could just use that for a heart that goes around her chest. A little bit of protection and just use it for style. Like hunting games or some shit. It's all good. Now, I'm making video. I need that good content, you know. If you're not a bitch, please. Sorry. Please. Killing me like, oh god. Wait, a bitch. Oh, hey that bitch. Oh, wait, I know I'm a nigger. Don't have like a nice outfit. Shooting just 100 people. Just like, how would I know? So little dots on the plane. Count them all. Watch it. Like, what? They're changing around. What the fuck? I think I can actually look inside here. Hang on. I think that's. How did I make it smaller? There we go. What was the button like? Hang on. Oh. Did something? No. Teammates were gone. Oh, ghost server. I have no clue. Yeet. Oh. Oh, great decision getting a random girl to fight. You didn't like outfit because it's cold. No, you just give her some knickers, pants, and this. So I was here. I see something there too. I see such people. Because I have been here before. Usually, this is why I died. I walked out that building there. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Right, what was the bunch of crap shot there? Yeah. Nobody sees me. No, nobody's doing that. Yeet. Crouch is good. Oh! I was like X, V, V, something like that. We want to know. See. Right. Quickly open this door. What do we got? We got absolutely nothing. But you know, we got scope. It's alright. There's nothing else. We've just got scope and some bullets. Wow. So that's the other scope maybe. Oh, 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 can pick that. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Got a crossbow. Wow. No. Get rid of that. Sure, I can hold all of them. Wow. That's good to have a melee weapon. Sure, if like slight lag. So, I will. That's. I'm going to test this out quickly. I'm just going to waste more bullets. But no, we'll test what this is. Oh, this is bad. No, I don't have this. Right. Two shots, wow. More ammo, please. Ooh. I'll carry that, that's not nice. If it doesn't mean I have anything to say this game. So, I can't really see how long the video's going for. It's well late now. Hang on. So it's not like, just because you can't carry it, it's like, because you can't use guns, but like, because you can't carry it. Oh, got pistols. It's alright. I thought it was a car. No, it's just rain. Did you know it was a car? Trying to run past me. Teammates are not too far away from me. Shit. I probably want to win. 80 sort of people, right? So, I would say this gun would be my great. I don't have any bullets. It's fine. So that's probably. Actually, have really bad guns because I don't have like rapid fire and I kind of need like SMG. Take gun for this set. Quick fire. cruel. But like, some of my guns like glitched inside of me, which, you know, was when I'm being impaled. Okay. And I'll just get on, this is slowly, are they moving? They're not moving, I'll just go right towards them. That far away from me. I still don't have like any armor, I'm gonna get all soaked and... Oh yeah. Really nice. Didn't give us any shoes, maybe? This... Right. In Fortnite we get boots, we get fancy access to use, we get quite nice healables, no, just get no shoes. And then I can carry for some reason. A teenager's rage kit. I'm coming, Jeffrey. Oh. Gosh, how do we catch this? Oh. Really bad. Ah, John's doing this. Like, my teammate? But no, that's not seeing my teammate. So, this guy killed me. Got a helmet. Shit. Really nice stuff, and I have barely anything. Right, can I stop the video? Okay, it's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. No. Probably not play this game till like next week or something. Go away. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. It's Jesus Christ. You know. God's sake. End video.